All right. So I just got a different screen recorder because the one you suggested didn't work for me, unfortunately. But um, so what I am saying is when I go through, if you go to actually my website, which is williegcoaching.com, and then you go through all the steps to get a free case study, it doesn't go in the order that um, ClickFunnels suggests. Let's see. Nope, nope. Let's go to ClickFunnels. Just go to ClickFunnels. And then so you go to my fragmentation funnel. I wanted to go to the new, after the schedule page, I wanted to go to the new survey page, but it doesn't go there. It goes to this survey page and asks for this information. So it's not directing to the correct page. And when I go to the schedule page and edit it to try to get it to redirect to the new page, it only gives me this custom JavaScript, which I don't know how to edit. So I don't know how to redirect it to the new one, even though it's going in the correct order. So it was originally, this order was different because the old survey page was up here, but I moved the survey page 2, which is the correct one, um, to there, which is actually fine. I'm fine with this survey page, but the old success page I need to get rid of because the 5.success page, because that one I can't edit. Like for some reason, it won't let me. Um, so I'm fine with this page, but I need to get rid of this success page because I'm using Sam Ovens template. And even though I edit it, I've edited it already and it has my picture here. When you go through and actually fill out the form, so let's just fill out this form on my actual website. Book strategy session. So this is the form. So it goes to his page. So like this is not what this is. This is what it should be, but it goes to here, which is, and it's also a different URL, as you can see. So that's my current issue. So let me know how I can get it to go in the order that it says. So I want it to go in this specific order, and it's not.